The fourth niyama is Svadhyaya, which means self-study. It's about listening to our breath, to our body, to our mind on the mat, and listening to our breath, our body, and our mind throughout our daily life. It's about observing our thoughts, patterns, behaviors that may not be serving us well, so we can learn to cultivate healthier thoughts, patterns, and behaviors. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. So I'm going to show you one yoga pose, one mantra, and one mudra to cultivate Svadhyaya on the mat so you can integrate it into your life. So I invite you to come to a comfortable seated position. You can sit crisscross. You can try Sukhasana, staggering one shin in front of the other shin. If you're feeling really open today, half lotus might work for you, stacking one foot over a hip crease. And if you're working towards full lotus, stacking both feet towards both hip creases, it helps to practice stacking your less dominant foot over the hip crease so you can eventually open up to full lotus. So if full lotus is within your practice, go for it. This is going to be our position. The mudra I'm going to show you today is Dhyana mudra. So take your right palm over your left, bring your thumbs together, and bring your hands near the navel. This mudra, according to yoga philosophy, can help tune our awareness inward. Close the eyes and just take a moment. Listen to your breath, listen to your body, listen to your mind. Notice how your breath feels naturally today without trying to control the breath. Just observe your natural breathing pattern. Then take a moment, scan through your body. Notice how you're feeling physically as you scan from your head to your toes. Then tune inward. Silently acknowledge and accept how you're feeling mentally and emotionally today. Maybe ask yourself, are you tired, energized, calm, restless? Are you happy, sad, focused, scatterbrained? Perhaps you're a combination of many different things. Just see if you can simply observe how you're feeling mentally and emotionally without judgment. Whenever you feel ready, I invite you to join me with chanting the mantra Tat Tvam Asi. Take a deep breath in. Tat Tvam Asi. Deep breath in. Tat Tvam Asi. Again, deep breath in. Tat Tvam Asi. And when you chant these mantras, remember, it doesn't matter what the chant sounds like. It doesn't have to sound pretty. As long as you feel that vibration in your body, that's all that matters. Now I invite you to think the mantra for the next 3 very deep breaths. Just think that mantra in your mind. Tat Tvam Asi. Take 3 deep breaths as you silently chant the mantra. After the 3rd breath, when you're ready, you can relax your hands on your thighs, but keep the eyes closed. Keep your awareness inward. Simply take a moment and just observe any subtle shifts you might feel after that practice. Notice how the body feels. Notice what's going on in the mind. See if you can let go of judging those thoughts and just simply acknowledge whatever comes up for you. When you're ready, you're welcome to open the eyes. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you found this practice interesting and helpful. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please comment below. I would be happy to answer any questions you have. And I would love to hear how you're incorporating Svadhyaya self-study on your mat and off your mat in your daily life. Please comment below and share. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.